Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag. I'm going to start a little bit here, and I'm just going to drag this fire. So what we're doing right now is we're just trying to, we have a seep ditch right over there. I jump over to it. This fire's coming pretty quick, so I won't. But all we're doing is we're just trying to burn basically all the weeds, the grass, and everything so that the seep ditch is empty or clean. It looks pretty good for the top. You come down, still pretty good. There's a few bigger pieces. Start digging into it though. It doesn't look too bad. I don't feel an air pocket or anything like that, so that's good. All right, got earthworm there. I don't know if I chopped them or not, but stay alive, buddy. So I was out spraying yesterday and this happened. Not good. So here we are at the cover crops in the field a little bit. I didn't go in too much here, but just kind of at the edge. However, you can see here's the cover crops here. So kind of a little zoomed out picture. Got your corn and then the cover crops in the middle. But man, they look really good. Lots of different varieties coming up. Pretty much everything I planted in this test plot did come up. And this is my clover. This is what's going to provide nitrogen for next year. it looks great. So I'm really excited to see what's going on. It's kind of interesting because actually the legumes did better this year than last year, and the cereal rye didn't do as good this year. So walking to the field a little bit more here, get whacked by leaves. This time of year, it's going to, since it's drying out, there's more sunlight getting into the field, which will help the cover crops grow if I can get moisture. So you can see these bottom leaves, they're dry. It's really dry. Cover crops are hurting a little bit. Should be able to get some water here in hopefully 3 or 4 days. It'll probably be the last run, but hopefully it'll finish up the corn. So the fact that she said she doesn't like farming is a total lie. She absolutely loves it. Huh?
Yeah.
You driving?
No.
No? Yeah, you are. Your hands on the steering wheel.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Gotta start young, guys. 2 years,
No.
2 years old.
No.
Yeah.
That's a cow.
Oh, yeah, more cows. Pay attention to the road, though. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now, guys. This sucks. I don't know if there's really much you can do about this one way or the other. Having cattle on it did not help at all, but pasture's blowing, just everything's blowing. And I think it's gonna be like this all day. I'm not sure if I did anything, if it would help when it's this much wind. It's just not good. There's some pipe there that's blowing, so that's nice. Oh, this sucks. Alright, give Nash his bone. Good job, Cora. Can you say thanks for watching?
Hey.
Thanks for watching. Can you say thanks for watching? No, she's camera shy. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you around later.